Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable dark mode browsing in our Microsoft Edge web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open a page. In search, you just need to search for Edge colon double slash flags flags presenter. In search flags, you just need to search for auto dark mode. Comes up auto dark mode for web contents. Automatically render all web contents using a dark theme. Click on this drop down and select enabled and select restart for the changes take effect. Now the dark mode has been appeared guys, as you can see now. If you want to disable this feature, you just need to click on this drop down and select default and select restart. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.